Hi everyone, Hina Wajid here. Today we are going to discuss 5 very important MCQs for the SPI exam. So first one is best single action taken to improve axial resolution. Option A is increase depth, B is lower frequency, C increase frequency, D increase cycles per pulse. Try to answer it by yourself before I tell the answer. Okay, so right answer of this question is increase frequency. So first we have to understand what is the axial resolution. It is ability to identify two structures separately that lie one behind the other along the beam's path. So if this is our beam and two structures are placed like this along the depth of the beam and we can identify them separately, it's our axial resolution. It is also known as depth resolution or the range resolution. So LARD, this is a mnemonic through which we can remember the synonyms of the axial resolution. So L for longitudinal, A for axial, R for range, and D for depth. So that is our axial resolution. Now its formula is very important. Axial resolution is equal to SPL divided by 2. Now what's the SPL? It's spatial pulse length. So spatial pulse length is the length of whole pulse. As you can see, this is whole pulse. So its length is spatial pulse length. If I say length of one cycle, it is wavelength. It is lambda. And pulse, it is a combination of multiple cycles. So the length of a pulse is SPL. Now what is the formula of the SPL? So SPL formula is SPL equal to number of cycles multiply wavelength. It is the formula for the SPL. So axial resolution was SPL divided by 2. And shorter the SPL, better the axial resolution is. Now how we can make the SPL short? When we make SPL short, axial resolution is good. So how to make SPL short? We want to decrease SPL, we have to decrease wavelength, we have to decrease number of cycles. Now how to decrease the wavelength? We know frequency and wavelength, they are inversely related. When we increase the frequency, wavelength decreases. And when we increase the wavelength, frequency decreases. And when we decrease the wavelength, frequency increases, and vice versa. When we increase the wavelength, frequency decreases. So I think now you have remembered that. Decrease the wavelength, frequency increases. Increase the wavelength, frequency decreases. So here we can see option increase the frequency. So it decreases the wavelength. When frequency decreases, wavelength increases. So that's why here the right answer is increase frequency. Because when we increase the frequency, Wavelength gets shorter, it means SPL gets shorter, it means axial resolution improves. Another way is reduce number of cycles per pulse. And how to reduce number of cycles per pulse? The answer is damping or the backing material. So damping or the backing material is like the DJ which tells the crystal to stop. So if there is no damping material behind the transducer, then the SPL is long, more number of cycles. And if there is damping material behind the transducer, there is damping material, it tells the transducer to stop. It's like a DJ who tells the singer to stop. So makes the pulse very short. How? It lowers the number of cycles. So pulse will be very short. So all of these methods are very important. So how to improve the axial resolution? Increase damping. It reduces the number of cycles. So it reduces the SPL. Or we can increase the frequency. So it reduces the wavelength. It reduces the SPL. So when SPL is short, axial resolution is good. Because axial resolution is SPL divided by 2. So higher frequency reduces the wavelength. So we should also know about this, that higher frequency reduces penetration. If your SPA exam is near, so I am there to help you. I have prepared 60 detailed SPI lectures covering whole ARDMS SPI content outline in a simple and easiest way possible. And I also have added MCQs in each of the topic. So you will get very easy explanation of all the topics along with the MCQs practice while discussing the topic, and along by the side you will do the MCQs practice. And I will also share all of the slides of every session for the easy review. And then I have MCQs test topic by topic. Like you listen one lecture and then you solve the MCQs of that topic. So you will evaluate your knowledge by this. And I have total 2000 plus MCQs to practice. I also have mock test, so you can review your knowledge. And the great thing is there is a one-to-one revision session before the exam, so that I can assess your knowledge and I can give you feedback what to improve. And there is exclusive bonus. I will provide you free guidance on ARDMS whole registration process. If you join our sessions, I will guide you about everything. Documentation, ARDMS apply guidance, exam booking procedure, SPI registration, A to Z, everything. So now you can enroll in our whole session. Or if you have already prepared, you just need MCQs practice, or you just want mock tests, or you just need one-to-one revision session before the exam, so you can contact me on my email for all the details.